Alright guys, today we have a 2010 Chevy Camaro. If you have 10, 11, 12 models and you need to change a cabin filter on this car, so to change a cabin filter, you're going to go under the hood. The cabin filter is right down here, right? This is the passenger side. There's the engine right there. This is the passenger front tire right down here. The shorts here. And this is what you're looking at, alright? So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna lift up this little the weather strip here. All you do is lift it up, make sure you put it back in. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove a clips. There's a clip there and there's a clip down here, right here. Alright. So what you're gonna need is a tool similar to this or a flathead, alright? So what we're gonna do here is first we're gonna remove the clip here. Alright, there's a clip here. You put that to the side somewhere. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the clip down here. Alright. Make sure you don't lose these clips. And you put these clips back in. And make sure you use a tool such as this. This is by Snap-on. You don't have to buy Snap-on. There's other brands. And or you can use a flathead. All you need to do is you need to pop this up and this clip comes down. You're gonna have to reach down there and pop it up. Usually with this tool it's much easier because it does it for you. If you use a flathead, it might move to one side to the other side and you might damage it, right? Once you have these two clips removed, what we're gonna do here next is there's another clip down here. We're gonna remove that also. Let me get that clip out. I might not have to remove this one, do I? I think I do need to remove this, so yes we do. Alright. Here's the clip. I'll put that to the side. Now I should be able to lift this up. This might bother you a little bit, so you could just push it. This little spongy thing right here. You could just push it in a little bit and get this piece out. Alright, this comes out just like that. It probably got like a little hook right here and here. This one goes in at the end over there. And we're gonna put this cover to the side. Once you put this cover to the side, you have, now you can see down here. Alright, this is where the cabin filter is, alright? So all you do is you're gonna pull this out. This should be able to come out. It's gonna be a little rough. Alright, let me get my camera out of the way a little bit and then we'll come back. Alright guys, so I lifted my camera up so we can see better. Right down here you have two little tabs. One on this side, one on the opposite side. I'll show you once I have this. And see these two little tabs right here? All you do is you push this little bit to the side. This thing right here, let me try to manage it with one hand. Let me put this camera right here. So all you do is you push this, and this comes off. Once you have that out of the way, what you can do next is you're gonna grab that cabin filter. Over time, these things get stuck, so try to manage it to get it out of there. Alright. Just want to mention one thing. Make sure before you remove anything, you don't have leaves on the top, leaves down here, because you don't want nothing falling in there. Alright, here's the cabin filter. It looks dirty. Alright. And then you need to follow the airflow here. You see the airflow? Pretty much the airflow is going that way, so meaning the air is gonna go from here and cross inside. Any dirt is gonna be collected here. As you can see, there's dirt there. All right, so I'll get my new cabin filter and we'll install a new cabin filter, and we'll finish up this job. All right, but we do have to wait for a new cabin filter, so that's gonna take a while to get here, and we'll come right back. Guys, we're back and we have the new cabin filter. Here's the new cabin filter. All right, so again, we're gonna follow the airflow sign right here. It has an arrow right there. That's the airflow sign right there. So this filter is nice and clean, and we're gonna put this airflow facing the car inside, so the air is gonna be collected from here. It's gonna go inside, a clean air, right? So all you do is you take this cabin filter and you slide it back in just like that. All right, this is not gonna make any click, but it's gonna be flush. Once you have that in there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the lid. You could clean this up if you need to, and this lid goes in. It just snaps right in. All right, you're gonna hit a clip like that, and that's it. All right, don't forget to put this in, because if you don't put this in, it'll suck air from the top and it'll collect dirt, so you'll have dirt going inside. And what we're gonna do next is we are gonna put this cover back on. And I just want to show you guys one thing. You know, if you have a problem here with something like this, just fix it up a little bit. This one I'm not gonna be able to fix much, but that's fine, because it has another seal down here. All right, make sure that seal is sitting properly. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take this cover and I'm gonna take this side in first. Make sure it goes in where it belongs. And then I want to show you guys this side. This thing is gonna be sitting on top of this right here, right? So I'm trying to manage the camera and show you guys this. All right, you see how it's sitting here? I'm gonna fix it up. And I got this to end, and I'm gonna put the camera back. And this little fella right here, you could either remove it or push it back, but you do need to put it back if you remove it. All right, once everything is aligned, you can just simply push this back. All right, there you go. This little thing was bothering me, but I got it in there, and it's gonna clip right back in. I'm gonna fix up the back that came out. All right, that's it. It's perfect. It's sitting perfect. Next, I'll take these 3 clips back, put them back in. It's a little bit off, but you need to tap it a little bit to get it positioned to the spot where it's supposed to be at. All right, if I hold it right there, that's where it's supposed to be at. And you take the 3 clips, you put the 3 clips in, and this job is pretty much done. If you have a Chevy Camaro 2010, 11, 12, 13, it's the same setup. And I'll need you to subscribe if you like what I'm doing. If this helped you, just give me a good subscribe and good like, and share with your friends. Make sure you put this weather strip back on. This thing overlaps that one, all right? See how it's fatter here? It overlaps that. So all you do is you take this, you overlap that end. As you can see, I overlapped it right there, and you push this back. And what I like to do is I like to bring this as much as close as we can, so it can cover more area for the water, to avoid the water from coming in here. And we're done. You know, if you see leaves here, guys, remove the leaves before you work on the car, right? A lot of time I have seen people, they drop the leaves inside. And I had people come to me, they said they watched the YouTube video and they changed the cabin filter, but the car makes noise now. So every time you put the fan on, the blower motor on, it makes a noise because there's something fell inside. And now the job is longer than what it's supposed to be. Now we have to remove the blower motor to clean up the system inside. All right, so that's it. We're done there. And subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.